yeah, also I saw third person, so we can unlock this, and when we zoom out, as you can see, it works amazing. I will zoom out more, and guys, we can go through the walls. As you can see, it's easy. Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how I got the latest script for Dead Rails absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. As I said, it's all online, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything step by step how you can actually get this, and later we will test it, does it actually work. So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices, it works perfectly for both devices. And for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website guys. It's called blogsforge.com. You will find it easily and click on browse scripts. So there you will find this Dead Rails. Click there guys. And then we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to your roblox.com profile guys. Everybody have this. Just go to roblox.com, log into your profile and copy your profile link. So guys, let's get back to the tool and just click on this button. It will automatically paste only, just click here and it will automatically paste only your user ID. So just click continue guys when you paste this, and it will start searching for your user account. As you can see, user found. You should get this message guys. So there we go, it's most important step, second one. So that's my account guys, my avatar is connected, you should get yours there. And now we'll have to insert any executor to our Roblox in order to use this script. So guys, if you don't have any executor, select no as it's default, and if you have any executor, select I already have a different executor, or if you have already Delta executor, just click yes. So it will skip this step and we will just select the script. So guys, I have no currently executors and I will import Delta executor to my Roblox. So I will click here import, and now there we go. For these scripts guys, make sure to select this Forge Hub and Niku scripts. That's the best scripts for Dead Rails. So when you select this, just click continue and it will start connecting to the API. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. I will record it more. So yeah, and guys, there we go guys, API is connected, nice. Our activation key is generated, as you can see guys, there we go. And now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot guys, and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our Dead Rails script with key. So guys, it's one-time verification, and on this step we will have a list of 6 free tasks and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can complete these simple questionnaires, you can download game, you can download app. It's really up to you by your choice. But what will I do now? I will download TikTok and merge garden. So how will I do it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's all free and from the official publishers, so you don't have to worry. And one more important step is to follow their instructions. So for TikTok, follow their instructions for each task you complete. So I will complete TikTok and merge gardens as I said. So for TikTok, I will download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. And for merge gardens, I will install and reach level 9. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I've just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, TikTok and merge gardens, and I have followed their instructions and I got this message guys. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text guys. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened, but it should redirect us every single second because I have completed it. So let's wait. There we go guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check guys. Our user ID and our key is connected. So guys, let's test now, does it actually work? So I will open my Roblox and let's test is it actually working? I mean, all these scripts. We selected 2 scripts, so let's open that Rails, guys, and let's see, does it actually work? So let's open and let's see. Nice, we got our Delta Executor, and let's see, there we go, guys, Forge Hub and Niku's script that we selected. So guys, I will now go to single game, and let's go to the game and let's test in game. So I will try to create a party, and game will start in 10 seconds. So when the game starts, we will open our scripts and we will test, does it actually work? So we'll test both scripts, guys, so you can use that you like the most. Both scripts are literally greatest. I will show you now, so let's see. Okay, so let's click there and let's open first one, Niku's script. So guys, I'll click there and it will start loading script. So there we go. We have opened our script and it works amazing. As you can see, we have all these amazing options. Let me full screen it, guys, so you can see properly. ESPs, guys, we can click on this train, ESP, auto run train. Look at this, it can auto run the train, guys, and we can remove clouds, only day, only night, remove fog, guys, automation. So let me test something like anti-AFK. So as you can see, you have all these amazing features. So guys, also let's test our Forge Hub. Let's click execute and let's see how does it work. So it's second script and it also have bunch of options. So guys, there we go. We also got this new script, so I will also full screen it. So also you have these amazing scripts, guys, so I mean options, and we can enable this no clip. So let's click on no clip, guys, and let's see, we should go through walls now. So as you can see, it works amazing, guys. We have ESPs, we can do literally whatever we like. So guys, yeah, also I saw third person, so we can unlock this, and when we zoom out, as you can see, it works amazing. I will zoom out more, and guys, we can go through the walls. As you can see, it's easy. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.